Oh, hi. Just don't mind me. I'm just putting this thing like so, just so you can see like the huge, 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 huge amount of sexy, delicious macaroni and cheese. So that's done. So macaroni, cheese. This has the what do you call it? The white cheddar, the orange cheddar, some parmesan in there. Put some jalapenos and buttermilk, garlic salt, pepper. Mix everything up. Big plate, big plate, big appetite. So that works. Big flavor. Mm. Oh yeah, that is good. Hard. Okay, gotta be a little careful. So you can see, huge. What's the limit? Imagine, no, let's stop. Let's not test our luck, right? So I'm in the back of the mountain here. And I gotta say, this those jalapeno bits really add that little Not for everyone, not classic by any means, but if you like it spicy, somewhat spicy, it's nice. So yeah, that is thick. Creamy, cheesy thickness. Mm. 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 And it had been a while. And actually, when I ate, I had macaroni salad at some point a couple of months ago, maybe. In the back of my mind is like mac and cheese, mac and cheese. Also ate some griot last time, not on camera, but you know, and I had a little, again, like little macaroni salad and thing. And my mind is like mac and cheese, dude. And I'm like, okay, okay. Then I saw, if you haven't seen Joy Eats video when she did this super mac and cheese thingy. Check it out, by the way. And my mind was like, see, that's another sign. Come on, come on. And I'm like, yeah, okay. I gotta think about it. Because I don't eat it too much, but it's good. But it's not something I would eat every day or even every week. You know, some things are amazing, but you gotta take a breather, look around, do other stuff. Like I could eat pizza almost every day. And I love mac and cheese, but it's those kind of things. You gotta savor it in the moment and then let it go until it comes back. it's here. And it's delicious. Wasn't too sure about the amount of jalapeno to put in there. You know what? Pretty nice. Medium high spice, I would say, which is fine. I don't want it to overshadow. I know some people love spicy just to be spicy because they're spicy people. But I don't want it to overshadow the actual food too much. And you just take some spice with some macaroni consistency. It's gotta have like a nice balance. This is on the acceptable upper limit for me. Other people would taste this and be like, that's not enough, and then they take sriracha sauce and bah! But you gotta keep the macaroni and cheese spirit. So yeah, 2 types of cheddar, just some Parmesan. I didn't have too much, and I'm like, might as well use it. Because, you know, it gives that little Parmesan taste. So a nice mix of cheese. I didn't want to go get mozzarella, though it would have made it a little more, you know, cheesefully, if you want. But the mix is very nice. And some other time I'll try some other combination. I saw a recipe, they added onions into it, which, you know, chopped up onions. Some people might say, I'm intrigued. If you don't saute them too much, you get bits of crunch everywhere, but it melts. It would, you know, I think it would go pretty good without being like onion in your face. It would like blend in, you know. Some of the jalapeno bits are a little crunchy. That's always nice. Ooh, that could have gone wrong. That could have tumbled down. Meh. Ah, there you go. That's a nice piece. No. Oh, it's so far away. Damn, I was like, we made it. No one escaped. I'll see you. Oh, finish up. Refreshing. I am a balloon now, filled with mac and cheese. But it was delicious. Now I will slowly move the rest of the day. Hopefully, there's not like a alien invasion and I have to run because that's not gonna be good. Hopefully, everything stays relaxed. So I hope you enjoyed. That was the jalapeno spicy mac and cheese, I guess. And yeah, very fond memories of what just happened. That's gonna take my fix of mac and cheese for a while. Well worth it. I'll see you next time with more food and have a nice week. The whole week. Yeah. Bye.